How to backup your private key with Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can backup our private key using Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to backup your private key using Trust Wallet, so let's say you have a wallet and you have got the secret phrase which you don't want to forget, you can actually back them up by simply going to your wallet tab and then just tapping on that wallet there, or you can just tap the three dots option. Now in my case I have actually backed up to my Google Drive, so anytime I want to log into my account I can select my Google account and restore it. But you can also choose to manually backup by tapping on the backup now option here, and then just make sure to write down a secret phrase somewhere and tap the continue option to back up your private key. This way you can back up your private key or secret phrase in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.